So guy finds himself a deal on a 73 Nova in roller status. Terrible hood on it. Can't stand this thing. But what I'm told is it's got a 68 or 69 front end conversion or something. Maybe you guys can help me out. I don't know too much about the Novas. But I know that from the couple of Googles that I've done, it doesn't look like your standard 73. But that's what the title says. Inside, we can see we've got a whole lot of nothing going on. Spare tire, so that's cool. Newish brakes. Newer brake. Tub. Does have a cage already in it from the previous owner. Looks fine. Maybe some unfinished welds, but pretend like we didn't see that. Not a single wire in the entire car. So that'll be fun to try and get to some level of streetability. Glass is all good on it. It's dirty right now. But I do want to thank the guy who decided to somewhat prime it for priming right over the windows, not taping anything off. That's really nice of them. It does have a trunk pan, something I'm not used to. Fuel cell, well, most of the trunk pan I should say. Fuel cell came with it. Again, something about a 68, 69 conversion. Not entirely sure what's supposed to go there. I don't know if this is the 73 taillight or if that's the 68, 69 68, 69 taillight. Somebody let me know. It's got a bumper that's zip tied to it. Came with a wiring harness. Moving back under that hood there. What is going on in here? See, it does have one of them Vortex already in it. No idea on the condition of it other than it's got one of those Hiroshima hair dryers already attached to it. What's left of a radiator is still there. So it's got mounts already. Some kind of turbo kit. Manual brakes, that's fine. No shocks. Don't really need those where we're going. Well, at least he taped off the turbine housing and all that fun stuff. That was nice of him. These are actually hood pins. That's not just a bolt, for anybody who's wondering. So my question for you guys is, what do you want to see swapped in this thing? Should we keep the 4.8 or 5.3, whatever's in there right now? Should we swap something different in it? Manual trans, auto trans, street car, track car? What does everybody want to see? Give me a comment below, and also let me know, give me a like on this if you want to see some updates, maybe some vlog style updates on it, or maybe just some pictures on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think.